Every morning, the world offers a fresh canvas, a new opportunity to shape the day ahead and ultimately your life's trajectory. The most successful people understand that the first moments after waking are not just a routine, but a foundation for everything that follows. The way you rise, the habits you embrace, and the mindset you cultivate in those quiet early hours can set the tone for achievement, fulfillment, and resilience throughout the day. Waking up like a successful person doesn't mean you have to leap out of bed at 4 a.m. or follow a rigid checklist. Instead, it's about intention, choosing to own your morning instead of letting it slip away. The alarm rings, and you're faced with a choice: hit the snooze button or step into the day with purpose. The most accomplished individuals rarely leave that decision to chance. They see the morning as sacred, a time to prime their body and mind for the challenges and victories ahead. Imagine opening your eyes before the world stirs, the air still and full of possibility. In this quiet, successful people find clarity. They resist the urge to reach for their phones, to be bombarded by notifications and demands. Instead, they take a moment to breathe deeply, to center themselves, and to express gratitude for another day. This simple act of mindfulness grounds them, providing a sense of calm and focus that acts as armor against the chaos that might come later. The next step is movement. Whether it's a brisk walk, a series of stretches, or a full workout, successful people know that activating the body wakes up the mind. The endorphins released during exercise sharpen focus, boost mood, and cultivate discipline. It's not about the intensity or duration. It's about sending a message to yourself: I value my well-being, and I'm committed to my goals. Nutrition follows. Rather than grabbing whatever is convenient, successful people make conscious choices about what fuels their bodies. A nourishing breakfast, rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, provides sustained energy and mental clarity. Hydration is key, too. A glass of water first thing in the morning replenishes the body after hours of rest, kickstarting metabolism and flushing out toxins. But the morning routine of high achievers isn't just about physical health, it's about mental preparation too. Many carve out time for reflection or meditation, cultivating a sense of presence and inner peace. They might journal, jotting down their thoughts, intentions, or affirmations. This practice helps them process emotions, clarify priorities, and set a positive tone for the day. Goal setting is another crucial element. Successful people don't drift through their mornings, they chart a course. They identify the most important tasks, the ones that will move them closer to their dreams, and commit to tackling them with focus and determination. By prioritizing these high impact activities early, they ensure that no matter what distractions arise, progress is made. Visualization is a powerful tool too. In the quiet of the morning, successful individuals often take a few moments to imagine themselves achieving their goals. They picture the challenges they'll face, the steps they'll take, and the satisfaction of overcoming obstacles. This mental rehearsal builds confidence and resilience, making them more likely to persevere when difficulties arise. Connection is another hallmark of a successful morning. Some people use this time to nurture relationships with family, friends, or mentors. A heartfelt conversation over breakfast, a quick note of encouragement, or simply sharing a smile can foster a sense of belonging and support. These moments of connection provide emotional fuel, reminding us that we're not alone on our journey. Of course, not every morning goes according to plan. Life is unpredictable, and even the most disciplined individuals face setbacks. But successful people don't let one rough morning derail their progress. They practice self-compassion, recognizing that growth is a journey, not a destination. They adjust, learn, and recommit to their routines, knowing that consistency over time is what yields results. The science behind morning routines is compelling. Studies show that our willpower is strongest in the early hours, making it the ideal time to tackle challenging tasks and establish healthy habits. The brain is also more creative and open to new ideas after a good night's sleep, making the morning a fertile ground for problem solving and innovation. But beyond the research, there's a deeper truth. The way we start our day reflects the way we approach our lives. If we begin with intention, discipline, and gratitude, we're more likely to carry those qualities into everything we do. If we rush, react, and neglect our needs, we set ourselves up for stress and mediocrity. So, how can you craft a morning routine that sets you up for success? Start by reflecting on your values and goals. What matters most to you? What habits would help you become the person you aspire to be? Experiment with different practices, movement, meditation, journaling, goal setting, and notice how they make you feel. Remember, there's no one size fits all formula. The best routine is the one that works for you. Begin with small, sustainable changes. If you're not a morning person, try waking up just 15 minutes earlier and using that time for something meaningful. Maybe it's reading an inspiring book, planning your day, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of coffee. As these habits become ingrained, you can build on them, gradually creating a routine that feels both energizing and achievable. Be patient with yourself. Building a new routine takes time, and there will be days when you falter. That's okay. What matters is your commitment to growth and your willingness to start again. Each morning is a new opportunity, a blank slate on which to write your story. Pay attention to your environment too. A cluttered bedroom or chaotic household can make mornings feel overwhelming. Take steps to create a space that supports your intentions. Lay out your clothes the night before, prepare a healthy breakfast in advance, or set out your journal and pen where you'll see them first thing. These small acts of preparation signal to your brain that you're serious about your goals. Don't forget the power of sleep. A successful morning starts the night before. Prioritize rest, creating a bedtime routine that helps you wind down and recharge. Turn off screens, dim the lights, and give yourself permission to relax. Quality sleep enhances focus, mood, and resilience, making it easier to rise with energy and purpose. As you refine your morning routine, pay attention to the impact it has on your day. Do you feel more focused, energized, and positive? Are you making progress toward your goals? Are you showing up as the person you want to be? Use these insights to adjust and improve your habits, always striving for growth and fulfillment. Ultimately, the morning is a microcosm of life itself, a series of choices that, over time, shape who we become. By waking up like a successful person, embracing intention, discipline, and gratitude, you set the stage for a life of achievement, joy, and meaning. Remember, success isn't just about what you accomplish, but about how you live each day. And it all begins with how you greet the morning. So tomorrow, when your alarm rings, pause for a moment. Breathe deeply. Remind yourself of your purpose, your dreams, and your capacity for growth. Step into the day with intention, knowing that these early moments are yours to shape. Because the way you wake up doesn't just decide your morning, it decides your life.